Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I want to thank all of my supporters on Patreon and YouTube. This channel continues to exist thanks to your support, and I truly appreciate every one of you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I work on a client commission from start to finish. Since the full process is over an hour long, I sped it up and prepared it as a speed painting video. I'll walk you through the details as we go, so if you're ready, let's get started. For this project, the client requested a chef character vector, and we will be creating it in Adobe Illustrator. Before I start drawing in Illustrator, I always prepare a rough sketch in Adobe Photoshop. Even if it's very simple, it helps the client see what I'm planning to draw and allows me to get their approval before moving forward. Usually, I sketch on my iPad because it allows me to create more detailed and clean sketches. But this time, everything was already clear in my mind and the client didn't have many specific demands. So I quickly sketched a basic concept in Photoshop just to guide myself and then moved on to Illustrator to build the final vector. I usually build my vectors using shapes like circles and rectangles, but for this project, I wanted a more flexible and organic look. That's why I use the pencil tool much more than usual, drawing the details by hand based on my initial sketch. You can also use drawing tablets to make the process more comfortable in both Photoshop and Illustrator. I've been using Huion and Wacom tablets for many years, and they make the workflow much easier and faster. I will tag both of them in this video so you can check them out, and if you purchase through the link, you'll get them at a discounted price. These tablets are very powerful tools in their category. However, for this particular video, I decided to draw using my mouse, simply because it felt comfortable and convenient at the moment. That's why some of the sketch lines look rough, but it was enough for me to complete the project quickly, since I had to deliver it urgently. Many of you often ask me in my Photoshop videos which brush I use to get smooth, thick to thin, flowing lines. I want to clarify that it's not just about the brush. In those videos, I was using a Wacom tablet, so the lines became thick when I pressed hard and thin when I pressed lightly. Because it's a pen, the strokes naturally look smooth and dynamic. This is why, if you want to become a designer and create your own vectors and illustrations, you really need the right tools. If you want to take this work to a professional level and earn money from it, having the proper equipment becomes very important. After I finish this commission, I will upload the vector file to stock websites with the client's permission, and I will also share it for free in my Patreon shop for all of my supporters. By the time you watch this video, you will be able to find all related links in the description. If you want to support my work and help more videos like this come out, you can join me on Patreon through the link in the description. It's very important for keeping this channel active. And no matter which tier you choose, all supporters can download my premium vector illustrations and icon sets for free, along with access to exclusive resources. Just choose whichever tier fits your budget, and that alone is enough to support my motivation to keep this channel going. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and ask any questions you might have. And if you subscribe and turn on notifications, you'll always be the first to know about new videos and updates.